Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I will teach to all of you chemistry lesson 1 chemical reactions and equations. Today I will teach to all of you chemistry for class 10th lesson 1 chapter name is chemical reactions and equations. Clear? And topic is types of chemical reaction. Topic is types of chemical reactions. So students, this is your topic for today. Types of chemical reactions. That means today I will teach to all of you types of chemical reactions. There are following types of chemical reactions. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Next, double displacement reaction, and next, redox reaction. Students, after that we can say that endothermic reaction and exothermic reactions I will teach to all of you in next video. And here only there are 5 types of chemical reactions. First is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, and third is displacement reaction, and fourth is double displacement reaction, and next redox reaction. That means we can say that redox reaction means oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. There are 5 types here, but only I will teach to all of you today only combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Today I will teach to all of you only 2 reactions, that is combination reaction and second is decomposition reaction. And after that I will teach to all of you in next class displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction, and endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction in next class. Clear? But now today I will teach to all of you only 2 reactions. Clear? Combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So let us start. So students, let us start. First, combination reaction. Combination reaction, you know everybody word combined. Combined is students add करना, जोड़ना. That means combination reaction, in which reaction 2 or more elements and or compounds combine to each other and form only one compound. That is called combination reaction. Clear? A reaction in which 2 or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound. Such type of reaction is called combination reaction. Combination reaction. If you want to know Hindi, what is Hindi of combination reaction, then its Hindi is संयोजन अभिक्रिया, संयोजन अभिक्रिया. Combination reaction means संयोजन अभिक्रिया. ये reaction in which two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound. Such type of reactions is called combination reaction. For example, A plus B react to form AB. What is A and B here? That is called A and B. How many? We can say that A and B are elements or compounds. But first, we know that this is a reactant. This is a reactants, and also this is product. This is product. So there are two reactant, but I have only one product. That means we can say that when two elements are combined to form only one compounds, that is called combination reaction. Clear? But A and B are elements or compounds. That means A and B are elements. That means we can write here hydrogen plus chlorine, Cl2. Hydrogen is your bimolecules and also chlorine is your bimolecules. When hydrogen react with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl means hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, and this is a hydrogen gas. This is a hydrogen gas. Hydrogen, and also this is chlorine. Clear? There are two elements. How many elements here? There are two elements, but I have only one product. So here I am looking two elements are combined to each other and to form a single compounds. Such type of reaction, it is called combination reaction. Clear? That means students, we can say in Hindi, वैसी अभिक्रिया जिस अभिक्रिया में दो एलिमेंट्स या दो कंपाउंड या दो से अधिक एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स, और दोनों आपस में रिएक्शन करके ओनली से एक प्रोडक्ट बनाए, देन सच टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन, इस प्रकार की अभिक्रिया को क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? संयोजन अभिक्रिया. दैट मींस वी कैन से दैट कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, हियर ओनली आई wrote elements, but I can take next example product. That means compound. Next example I can take calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is a compound and this is a compound. Two compounds. When calcium oxide is react with carbon dioxide, then to form CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Its name is calcium oxide, and this is carbon dioxide, and product is calcium carbonate. This is the second example of combination reaction, and this is your first example of combination reaction. Here I am looking two examples, but in first examples have only elements, and second example have compounds and compounds. That means A may be elements and may be compounds, and A may be elements and may be compounds. Clear students? But if we want to balance, then how can we balance chemical reactions? Hydrogen 2 and calcium 2. That means here only one hydrogen, one chlorine. Sorry students, this is a chlorine, not calcium. So 2 and 2 here, if I will multiply by 2 in hydrochloric acid, then this is the Bell's equation, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, that is 2 chlorine and 2 hydrogens. So we can say that this is a balance equation. Second, same calcium, oxygen 1 and 2, 3, that is oxygen 3, carbon 1, carbon 1. That is second example is also already balanced. So this is the combination reaction also, reaction students, and after that I will teach to all of you decomposition reaction. Next reaction is students decomposition reaction. Next is decomposition reaction. Decompose means students तोड़ना. That means ये reaction in which your single compound breaks into two or more elements or compounds. Such type of reactions is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, a reaction in which a single compound breaks into two or more elements or compounds. Such type of reactions is called composition reaction. For example, decomposition reaction, for example, AB get heated then to form A plus B. That means we can say, students, decomposition reaction is just opposite to combination reaction, because in combination reaction A plus B, that means A react with B then to form AB, but here I am looking AB when get heated then to form A plus B. So we can say that decomposition reaction is just opposite to combination reaction. Next, where AB is a single compound, but A and B are elements or compounds. That means A may be elements or compounds, and also B may be elements or compound. Here students, for example, water, H2O, this is water, when heated then to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Hydrogen 2, oxygen then 2 molecules. That means we multiply by 2. After that 4 hydrogen. So I multiply by 2 here. That is 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. This is a decomposition reaction. How can you say that this is an example of decomposition reaction? Because here there is only a single compounds when get heated then to form two elements. That means this is decompose. Is it? Decompose and to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So we can say that water when heated to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. That means water when heated then breaks into two elements. First elements hydrogen and second also oxygen. So this is a decomposition reaction. Second example, calcium carbonate when heated to form calcium oxide and also carbon dioxide. Clear? And third example, AgBr silver bromide when heated to form Ag plus Br2. You can balance. Clear? Yourself. Next, silver chloride students when heated then to form silver plus chloride. These are the example of decomposition reaction. So today I taught students two types of reaction, that is two reaction, combination reaction and decomposition reaction. After that, in next video, that is in next class, I will teach to all of you rest types of reaction, that is displacement reaction and double displacement reaction and redox reaction.